We can add the analysis toolpak for Excel to a PC, but also we can add it to a Mac as well. It's just that the method to do so is different. So to add the analysis toolpak, which we want to come up here in the Excel ribbon on the Data tab, we go to the Tools menu. There, and go to Excel add-ins. And we click on Analysis Toolpak. And click on OK. And that should bring up the Data Analysis button. And now clicking on that, we get the Data Analysis dialog box. Note that if you go to the Tools menu, go to Excel add-ins, and you find that the Analysis Toolpak is not in the add-ins available, make sure you click on Browse, find it, and when asked or prompted to, make sure you install it, and then check it on as before.